Hi, hello, g'day, kia ora, welcome to the studio. I'm Paula from MoxyMojo. I'm starting off with a quick flick through of the papers that I'm going to use for my 500 subscriber giveaway journal. I hit the 500 in the middle of Ephemera and just did not get a chance to go through and create the journal because I wanted to actually be able to focus on it and give it some time and attention of its own. So I decided to delay until I had some time, and now I've got some time. So here we go. I thought I'd show you the cover, and these are the digital pages that I've printed out. Now, the first two are my own creation and are or have been made to my normal A4 size. There's just a slight border around them because I didn't print borderless, but you know, that's neither here nor there. I generally have to trim around most of the pages I print. I printed these all on 110 gram matte photo paper, and the colour difference is just amazing. Whoops, that's on the back. Have I got one to show? There. That's that same one on, this is the same page, and you can see it probably there, based on ordinary copier paper compared to the photo paper. And then that's that flower, again, huge difference on the photo paper compared to the ordinary copier paper. And I've also got another one which I printed out by mistake as well. So that's my first page. Second page, so those are the two that were on A4 size, so will be slightly bigger. I've then got some that I printed, and these were made on US letter size, so that's why they've got the bigger borders. These are printable pages from the Graphics Fairy members website, like the monthly subscription side of it. And I thought about making my own, but I saw these and I just loved them, so that kind of gave me my theme between these and another kit that I found with like the sewing and the roses. I just thought went so nicely together. And the colour scheme was just amazing. So that's what we've got. Just look at that. That's just beautiful. Love that page and that sewing machine. It just reminds me of my sewing machine that I have. And they actually happen to have used the same rose that I did on this page, but I flipped it over, and of course I've softened it so that mine's a background image version, and this is like the focal image version. Then this was from another kit that I will insert here because the name has just completely slipped my mind. And this was a kit that I purchased. Again, I just love the colour scheme, and it was that sewing and roses that just appealed to me. And then I printed a couple and got the sizing wrong, so I ended up cutting off quite a bit of like the page when you compare the two of them, like the two sides there. it's cut off quite a bit, but I'll use those in making ephemera as well as that other page. So that's the pages that I've got there. This is probably going to be, I think, a 2 signature journal, and the cover that I've got is one that I made in my Ephemera bunch. So it's some Kiwiana fabric over a paper bag journal cover inside, and this is like seashells that we find here in New Zealand, in particular the pawa, or it's also known as abalone, and there's a white pawa. We have kinna here, which is sea urchin, and then mussels and all sorts of other seashells that I couldn't tell you what they were. I think that might be a pippy though. Yep. But I love this fabric. And then to go with that, I have got the kiwi inspired fabric, because again I just love kiwis and our namesake here, and that just is the pocket for the journal. Now this does go all the way through, but when I sew the signatures in, it will block off the pocket here. But just love that, and it's surprising what you can fit in this massive big pocket. So this, I'm going to go trim these pages now, and then once that's done we will get started on whatever magic happens next.